Yanatha is a Haitian-born writer and professor, and he's working on a new project that takes on the often unhappy discord between Haitians and their neighbors in the Dominican Republic. And this all comes around the Day of Forgiveness. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Tell us about your project and its connection to global forgiveness.
So the project is called The Sweetest Girl, a Forbidden Love Story. It's a compelling and provocative love story set in Haiti, haunted by gun violence and human trafficking. And one of our stars, his name is George King. As a producer and a writer on the film, he and I had a conversation about who we are, just introducing ourselves. And he told me he was from the Dominican Republic. And I shared that I was from Haiti. And he shared with me that he hates the separatism between our islands and that we are the same. And I wholeheartedly agree with him. And our partnership our collaboration is forgiveness in action. It's our love for the arts is bigger than the hate that has been plaguing our island.
Tell us about this strife, because a lot of people who don't know about this are like, kind of like, wow, they're neighbors, why wouldn't they get along?
Well, there are many past hurts that have happened. Haiti became the first independent nation in the Western Hemisphere in January 1st, 1804. Well, the whole island of Hispaniola, or IET, which stands for Lands of Hills and Mountains, was independent of France and so on and so forth. That separation happened in the later 1800s between the island that was the Dominican side today that was heavily influenced by Spain, and that division started around that time. And it played an island. We eat the same foods in Haiti. We speak multiple languages, just like in the Dominican. It's unfortunate, but with this project, we hope to again go beyond that. As Dr. King said, love conquers hate. We all see that love conquers hate. And again, our love for the arts I hope, will influence and inspire the next generation to not focus on the past, but embrace the future. And global forgiveness the Global Forgiveness Day will be something that we live in action and not just talk about.
And how would people take part or see this project so they can be aware of what's going on?
So this project can be seen on my website. Information on this project can be seen on my website on www.yanatha.com. Again, www.yanatha.com. And again, The Sweetest Girl, a Forbidden Love Story is inspired by true events. We talk about the effects of gun violence and the effects of human trafficking. And so we're very fortunate. Today, we were supposed to start shooting in April, but with COVID-19, things were delayed. But now we're doing virtual table readings, and we hope to start shooting here in Miami in the month of September.
Wonderful. Such a breakthrough project. We so appreciate it, and we hope it leads to some understanding. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.